Hi, I'm Marissa Bannerman, and this is a video about how to use this month's gratitude tracker. So in Canva, I have two different gratitude trackers. This first one, each day you write something that you're grateful for in the box, and as the text indicates, you can just replace this text with yours. So in this say, I'm grateful for my kitty cat kisses. And then the next day, you put what you're grateful for this day. I'm grateful for bacon cheeseburgers. And you can change the text to accommodate your text. You can change the boxes. On this one, what you're going to do is you're going to change this box to match the color of your mood. To do that, you highlight the box, click on the box, and then you go up to the color. And I'm happy today, so I'm going to make this one yellow. And then I replace this text with something that I'm grateful for today. I'm grateful for kitty kisses. And then each day you use this to track your mood. And all the document colors appear in this top layer here. So you'll be able to change them however you want. And that's it. At the end of the month, you can look back and see how grateful you were and how that affected your mood. And I hope everyone can have an attitude of gratitude this month.